So this is this new listing in Teaticket, which is East Falmouth. Look at the size of this living room. It's massive. And look at all the windows for this amazing bright light that comes in. Your neighbors all have big homes. Take a look at the kitchen real quick. So again, huge kitchen. You could easily sit 6 to 8 people. And you get great views. Again, from here, I'll take a look out the window. You can see the ocean right there. And we have the one bathroom, freshly tiled shower, glass door, one bedroom here, lots of light. And there is privacy, so you have shrubs on this side, and you've got a fence in your backyard to give you a little privacy. See, you look at this and you think, that's massive. You could do a lot of seating in here. And this is the other bedroom, so it's a 2-bed, 1 bath. Again, a couple of nice big windows. Great bones. Great location, amazing location. I'll take you outside in a minute. And great space. Look at the size of those windows. This is the view from the deck on this house. It's just fabulous. Look at that water view. You see the pond and then you see the open ocean beyond it. It's really spectacular. You can wake up and have your coffee every morning right there. And this is the front. It's a really cute 2-bed, 1 bath. Kind of has a little bit of a mid-century feel to it because the windows are so huge in the front and the side.